Greetings, greetings, greetings. When people are tell lie upon you, what you do? You talk up or you shut up? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 26 from verse 57 to verse 68. Now, the people them will arrest Jesus, take him, carry him, go to Caiaphas. Him did the leader for the priest them, and a fame house the law teacher and elder them did gather up. But Peter did a little further off, a follow Jesus. Him follow him go all the way to which part the leader for the priest them live. Him go in there and go sit down out in the yard with the guard them to see what go happen to Jesus. The head priest and all of the Jew leader them did a try come up with all kind of lie to tell upon Jesus so they could have kill him. But they couldn't find nothing for use kill him. Even though one bag of people come up and tell lie upon him. Then two people come up. Hear them now. Damania, him say, me can mash up God house and Billy back in a 3 days. So the leader of the priest them turn up and say to Jesus, say, you know nothing to say. And what kind of sitting them here? They must say about you. But Jesus no say nothing. The leader of the priest them said to him, say, in front of the God who will live, me the call upon you to talk truth. You are the Christ, God pick me. So Jesus said to him, say, you say it yourself. But hear me now, from now on, you're going to see the man where God pick, a sit on at the right hand, and the one where powerful, and a come down upon cloud will come out of heaven. When the leader for the priest them hear that day, him tearing clothes and say, him think say him and God are one. Him disrespect God. We want more people to prove nothing for. When you hear him a diss up God, what the quote say? Them say, him guilty, a dead him for dead. Then them pity in him face and thump him up. And some of them slap him up and say, you're not prophet in Christ Jesus. So tell we, who lick you? A God or this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.